Which among the following term defines the increase in concentration of toxicant at successive tropic levels? The correct answer is option B, biomagnification. Biomagnification refers to the process by which the concentration of contaminant or the toxic substance such as pesticides or heavy metals increases at successive trophic levels in a food chain. So as the predators consume prey, the toxicant accumulates in the organisms higher up in the food chain, often reaching harmful levels. For example, the primary consumers consuming the producers, secondary consumers consuming the primary consumers, and finally the tertiary consumers consuming the secondary consumers will increase the concentration of toxin in a higher level in the trophic level. That is the highest trophic level of the food chain. So that means the correct answer is option B, biomagnification. Whereas option A, biogeochemical cycling, it refers to the movement of elements like carbon, nitrogen, water through the ecosystem. For example, the carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, water cycle, etc. So option A is incorrect. Option C, biodeterioration. It is not the accumulation of toxic substance. It is a process of materials like wood or metal being degraded or damaged by the biological organism like fungi, bacteria, etc. So option C is incorrect. D, biotransformation. It is a process by which the organisms convert a substance into a different form, often involving detoxification. So option D is also incorrect. The correct answer is option B, biomagnification.